Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to activate Clipboard on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, the Clipboard allows you to copy and paste text, image, and other data quickly between different applications, enhancing your workflow and productivity. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. First, display the keyboard. Start by opening any application on your device where you can input the text, such as a messaging app or a note app. This will bring up the keyboard on your screen. Okay, and then you can tap this icon. So here, look for the clipboard icon. It often looks like a small clipboard or a document with a clipboard icon on it. Okay, tap on this icon to access the clipboard. Once you have opened the clipboard, you will see various items that you've copied or cut previously. The way to enable the clipboard feature, you will typically find a toggle switch next to it. Simply tap on the toggle switch to activate the clipboard feature. Okay, by following these steps, you can easily activate the clipboard feature on your device keyboard, allowing you to access and manage your copied or cut items for easy pasting into text field. Well, that's the tutorial on how to activate Clipboard on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.